So I'm there. I might come back. I might come back later on.
You say I don't feel right.
I don't feel right. I need to go. And I'll be back. I'm coming back. I get the key. I'm gonna come back. But right now I ain't feeling it. I told my baby, yeah, you ever? I said, you think these people got moves? I think they watching people when you don't care. These people kind of. He said they probably is.
Hey, you mess around and looked at that light.
I fucked up. Yeah, that light had to come down. I kept, man, I had to. I said, well, I would say, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I don't hook that motherfucker smoke the shit. I told that bitch, I told him the wire, the red and white light wire that was clipped in over the thing. I ain't my disc. I broke that loose. Won't work. I told them they can't see no. I told them they can't see no more now.
You got your free show.
Yeah,
you got your free show.
They were looking at me. I looking at that motherfucker at them.
You watching me when I'm watching you.
Your ass. So y'all give me looking dead at me. For real,
okay, I know you watching me in there.
I'm dead looking at
so,
y'all looking at
face to face.
Y'all know what I feel. I know y'all watching me. I know y'all watching me. And that's what I know y'all watching me. So I'm gonna disconnect this shit.
Okay.
I was get me go somewhere else. They ain't gonna respond. I said, yeah, then where the sign say that at? We ain't used a damn thing yet in this motherfucker. I just sit here. When you ready love, but I'm ready. We can
I'll be
move on.
back.
I really don't even want to see him. I'm nervous fucked up.
Because they watching. I always feel
I
like.
I said, I just feel like. Somebody, what I said, well, take it down. I said, for real? Went on up there and I ripped that bitch apart. I slapped that bitch. My lights out, y'all I don't know what happened. Y'all come knocking at the door and say, y'all can't see. There's something wrong. I know y'all watching. I was waiting on them to come and knock. Knock at the door and see what's something wrong, because I done disconnected. I hit that wire. For real.